In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a repeater on Wix Studio. First, open the Wix Studio editor and go to the page where the repeater is currently placed. This is important because repeaters can appear on different pages or sections of your site. So you want to make sure you are editing the correct location before deleting anything. Once you are on the right page, take a moment to look over the layout so you can clearly identify the repeater you want to remove. Next, select the container for the repeater on the canvas. When you click on it, you want to make sure you are selecting the entire repeater and not just one individual item inside it. A repeater is made up of repeated content blocks, so it's common to accidentally click on a text box image or button within one of those items instead of the full wrapper. If that happens, simply click again around the outer edges of the repeater until the entire container is highlighted. The key here is to confirm that the whole repeater is selected before moving on. Once the full repeater is selected, you can delete it. The quickest way is to press the delete key or the backspace key on your keyboard. If you prefer using menu options, you can also right-click the selected repeater and choose delete. Either method will remove the repeater from your page. Before you do this, it's a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct section, especially if your page contains multiple layout elements that look similar. After the repeater has been removed, review the page layout to make sure everything still looks the way you want. Sometimes deleting a large section can affect spacing or alignment, so it's worth taking a brief look at the surrounding content in the editor. This helps ensure your design remains clean and organized after the change. When everything looks good, click Publish. Publishing makes your update live on your site. So this final step is what ensures visitors will see the repeater removed from the page. If you leave without publishing, the change may remain only in the editor and won't appear on the live site. And that's it. Thanks for watching.